Nepenthes albomarginata, the alluring white-collared pitcher plant. Let's talk about Nepenthes albomarginata, also known as the white-collared pitcher plant. This captivating carnivorous plant has stolen the hearts of many enthusiasts, myself included. But its beauty goes beyond the visual. Here, I'll answer some of the most common questions about this unique species and delve into what makes it stand out. See more 207 species in genus Nepenthes at monsteraholic.com. Imagine a vine adorned with elegant, cylindrical pitchers. Each pitcher boasts an oval mouth and lid, often tinged with alluring shades of purple. Now, picture a distinctive white ring gracing the top rim. That's the hallmark of Nepenthes albomarginata. This white fringe, formed by fine hairs, is where the collar in its nickname originates. Where is it from? Nepenthes albomarginata is a native of Southeast Asia, specifically Borneo, Sumatra, and peninsular Malaysia. It thrives in the warm, humid climate of the lowlands, occasionally venturing up to 1,200 meters in elevation. This adaptability makes it a relatively forgiving plant for cultivation. Carnivorous habits, friend or foe. Don't let its beauty fool you. Nepenthes albomarginata is a cunning predator. Its pitchers lure unsuspecting insects with a combination of vibrant colors, nectar secretions, and sometimes even a sweet scent. Once an insect ventures inside, the slippery rim and smooth inner walls become a one-way trip. Digestive fluids at the pitcher's base decompose the prey, providing essential nutrients for the plant. Nepenthes albomarginata versus other pitcher plants. Compared to some flashier Nepenthes varieties, Albomarginata might seem a bit understated. Its elegance lies in its simplicity, but don't underestimate its resilience. Unlike some highland Nepenthes that require cool temperatures, Albomarginata thrives in warmer environments, making it a good choice for beginner carnivorous plant enthusiasts. Here's a quick comparison. Nepenthes highland versus lowland. Albomarginata falls under the lowland category, preferring warmer temperatures, 15 to 25 degrees Celsius, compared to the cooler needs of highland Nepenthes. Nepenthes size. Albomarginata's pitchers reach a manageable size, around 6 inches, 15 centimeters, tall, ideal for indoor cultivation with limited space. Color variation. While some Nepenthes boast vibrant hues, Albomarginata showcases a captivating play of purples with subtle variations. Its true beauty lies in its form and the unique white collar. How to care for Nepenthes albomarginata. Growing Nepenthes albomarginata is an exciting journey. Here are some key pointers. Light. Bright, indirect sunlight is ideal. Avoid harsh afternoon sun that can scorch the leaves and pitchers. Temperature. Maintain a warm environment between 15 to 25 degrees Celsius, 59 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity. High humidity is crucial. Consider using a humidifier or placing the plant on a pebble tray filled with water. Watering. Use only distilled or rainwater to avoid mineral buildup. Keep the potting mix consistently moist, but not soggy. Feeding. While not essential, occasionally providing the plant with live prey, like bloodworms, can be a supplement. Common challenges and solutions. Even the most dedicated plant parent can face hurdles. Here are some common issues and how to address them. Brown or black pitchers. This could indicate insufficient humidity or lack of water. Increase humidity and adjust watering. Drooping or wilting leaves. This could be a sign of dehydration. Ensure the potting mix is moist and increase humidity. Pest infestation, mealybugs and fungus gnats can be occasional nuisances. Use organic pesticides or insecticidal soap for control. The allure of Albomarginata. Nepenthes albomarginata's charm lies in its captivating combination of beauty and intrigue. It's a testament to the wonders of carnivorous plants, offering a glimpse into a fascinating ecological niche. With proper care, this unique plant can become a captivating addition to your home, rewarding you with its elegance and its silent hunt for prey. Remember, every plant is an individual. Observe your Albomarginata and adjust your care routine as needed. With a little patience and dedication, you can witness the magic of this remarkable carnivorous wonder unfold.